Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for December 23, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:15 a.m. Central Standard Time followed by sunset at 4:23 p.m. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky. For holiday revelers, bright Jupiter and the Moon are in the western sky after midnight. About 6 hours before sunrise, the Jovian giant is over 15 degrees above the horizon, 10.0 degrees below the gibbous moon that is 85% illuminated. At this hour, the planet Uranus is in the same binocular field of view with the Moon. The planet, dimmer than all the stars in the field that includes Pi, Rho, Sigma, and 40 in Aries, is to the upper left in the field when the Moon is placed to the lower right. The Moon may create a temporary afterimage in human vision, like the spots from a camera flash. Move the binocular to the upper left slightly, so the Moon disappears from the view. Then the planet is near the center of the field. In a week or so, when the Moon is dimmer and farther away, point your binocular between Jupiter and the Pleiades star cluster to find this planet that shines near the limit of human vision. An hour before sunrise, brilliant Venus is 20 degrees up in the southeast. Quite simply, it is that bright star in the southeast during morning twilight. The planet is stepping eastward in front of Libra's brighter stars, below Zubin el-Janubi and Zubin Shamali. It is heading for a conjunction with Graphias, meaning the crab, part of Scorpius and over 11 degrees to the planet's lower left. Mars is slowly moving into the eastern pre-dawn sky, rising this morning 43 minutes before daybreak. Mercury is racing into the morning sky, already rising 17 minutes before the sun. Its best views occur near mid-January when it is over 10 degrees to the lower left of Venus. In the evening sky, Jupiter, Saturn, and the Moon are in the evening sky after nightfall. The bright gibbous moon, 94% illuminated, is less than halfway up in the east and over 20 degrees to the lower left of bright Jupiter. The moonlight washes out the dimmer stars. The Pleiades star cluster is 5.1 degrees to the lower left of the Moon. Use a binocular to see them in the same field of view, then move the binocular slightly left to remove the dazzling lunar orb from the view. Return to this part of the sky with the binocular in 10 days when the Moon has moved on and it is dimmer than tonight. Saturn, considerably dimmer than Jupiter, is over 30 degrees up in the south-southwest. The brightest star in the region, Fomalhaut, meaning the mouth of the southern fish, is nearly 20 degrees to the planet's lower left. From Earth's rotation, Saturn sets in the west-southwest about 5 hours before sunrise. Jupiter is south about an hour before Saturn sets. The Jovian giant sets nearly 4.5 hours before sunrise and an hour before Venus rises. The gibbous moon sets about 2 hours before daybreak. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.